Welcome to Vet Ranch. I'm Dr. Matt. This scared little puppy is named Sable. She is around 5 months old, and you can see she's missing a lot of hair on her face, on her legs, on her side here, both sides. She looks pretty rough. A lot of scabs and scales back here. She kind of has the classic look of a dog with demodectic mange. So I'm gonna scrape her real quick. She also kind of stinks because she has a secondary bacterial infection. I'm gonna scrape her real quick, skin scraper, look at it under a microscope, and I'm assuming I'll find mange, which are little bitty mites, and then we will start treating her for that.
Good girl.
I'm gonna scrape some of these scales off, get a little bit of the top layer of skin, and I'll look at it under a microscope.
Hey. Okay. You are scared, little pup, aren't you?
Scared. So it is demodectic mange, and I didn't think I'd be able to show you guys on this microscope, but I tried it, and let me see if I can show you. So there's the little mange mite. So this little girl is covered in probably thousands to millions of those little things, and that's why her hair looks like it does. So we're gonna start treating her today, and hopefully we can get all these scabs gone and grow her hair back. And she also has a little wormy belly here, little distended abdomen, so I'm gonna go ahead and start her on some good dewormer, get her all fixed up. It has been a few days since we first showed you this girl. I'm just giving her a bath today with a little medicated shampoo. Her hair is not really coming back yet. We still have a lot of scabs over here on the side, but we are hopefully making a little bit of progress. You can see her face still doesn't have all the hair on it, but in another 2 weeks, she's gonna look a lot better. Another 2 weeks after that, she hopefully will be perfect. And we'll give you an update then. We just got Sable back in today. She's been with a foster and has totally regrown all of her hair. And today we spayed her and vaccinated her one last time. So now she's going to go to be adopted. So a quick video, but thought it was cool. She's obviously a little nervous right now and still a little shaky after surgery, but she looks like she's gonna be a perfectly healthy dog. And thanks for watching Vet Ranch. We'll see you next time.
'Cause all I'm asking is for a heartbeat, just a small town miracle. And if the good Lord doesn't hear me, I just want it.